I'm going to show you these strength training exercises that are very easy to do, that will directly transfer to your agility handling and are going to give you the control and power that you need on course to make these send and goes crisp and tight. When I think about the very basics of all strength training exercises, squats are top of the list. They teach so many lessons to our bodies and to that neuromuscular connection I was just talking about.
First things first, let's give your abdomen a light tap, make sure it's working. We are now going to pair this knee and hand movement, and we're going to travel. So reminder that that standing leg, the glute is tight, the knee is up tall. Don't forget about bringing those toes actively up towards your knee as you move across that.
We're going to talk about drills now, and we're going to talk about specific drills to work on your decelerations. As we go through them, I'm going to tie in the strength training stuff that we did, and then we also are going to talk about sprint starts.